Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a product mockup with Canva. So the first thing you have to do on the Canva app or the website version is to click on the template section here, the third option by your left, and on this top menu here, click on print products. Let me see if we can see anyone here. Okay, click on print products here, and it should bring you a list of items you can create a mockup of. So good, these are designable. So good, so we can create a mug uh prints there, water bottles, mouse pads, coasters. So a whole lot of items that we can create a mockup for. So let's assume we want to create a water bottle mockup. So we can design whatever we want to design with the template here. We can even create a new one. So you can still go back and choose a different mockup for maybe a gift certificate, a mug. Let's check the mug. So these are the designs you can create for your mug. I love step out of your comfort. This is very nice. Or if you have something in mind, you can click on create blank here and fill in or create what you want to create. So this is how to create a product mockup on Canva with ease. Thank you very much and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.